Hello guys, this is Krish from Get Googles, and today let's have a quick look on MIUI Octave Bluetooth speaker. So without any further ado, let's get started. The box is minimal in look. In front, it's written as 16 watts of output. On the back, it's mentioned all the supported features and warranty details which covers for 1 year. Once opening the box, you get one USB charging cable, one 3.5mm aux cable and one user manual. The speaker is priced at Rs 2,999 and comes in two colors, black and grey. When it comes to me, I like the black variant. The speaker is small and compact, fits easily in the hand. It has braided like mesh design which is wrapped around the speaker and it looks cool. The strap or thread or whatever you call it is also braided in look. It's strong and can be used to hang. On the front, we have 4 buttons to control the speaker. On the back, once you remove the lid, there is a charging slot for charging, aux port, charging LED light indicator and a reset hole. Now, let's get into the spec sheet. It has Bluetooth 4.2, has two 8 watts output speakers which supports 360 HD stereo sound. It also supports true wireless system, which means can connect with another Octave for that awesome stereo sound effect. It's rated IPX5, which means it can survive with water splashes. It has inbuilt 2600 mAh battery which gives you around 6 to 7 hours of battery life when played in 100% of volume and 10 hours of playback when played in 70% of volume. Now, I will show you a sample sound clip of the speaker which is recorded with Zoom H1 audio recorder for the better sound quality. Recording from my side and listening through your speakers might not be the best experience to judge the original quality of the speaker. But according to me, it sounds very loud with good bass by balancing highs, mids and lows. And again, considering the price, I don't have any complaints. So guys, which color speaker do you like the most? Would you buy it for you? Let me know by commenting down below. And don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. This is Krish and I will see you in my next video. Stay awesome.